Look at that piece right there.
Yep.
Ready for this? This is gonna be amazing.
Ooh. Oh yeah. That's what it's all about, man.
We got ourselves some beautiful ducks here.
Oh yeah.
Duck season's in hardcore swing. We got a great migration this year. Ducks are coming through.
And
these are wood ducks.
Wood duck.
This is a bufflehead.
Breast.
And this is a teal. And this is a wood duck, and this is another mallard. And this is a big old Drake mallard.
Man, we're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha. Yeah, I'll tell you
How
what.
are you gonna cook them, Jitter?
Good.
We're gonna cook them in the pizza oven today.
Yep.
There's us the pizza oven over there.
You got it.
Cranking up.
Get that fired
You're
up.
basically
So,
gonna do a real high heat roasting.
High heat roasting. Well, quick high heat roasting, because you gotta remember it's wild game. So wild fowl. You don't wanna overcook it. It's not chicken.
Nope.
So
Absolutely.
you're cooking it very easy and very quick. We're just prepping ourselves some onions real quick. Holiday duck at the pit.
You got it, man.
Wild duck at the pit.
That's it. Exceptional. Total vegetarian wild duck.
And these things have been eating nothing but great grains coming down from upper Canada. They're coming from Hansy's pit.
Yeah.
Coming on down to Connecticut waters here.
You got it.
And end up in my duck hole.
You got it.
And they're eating nothing but great grains their whole way down.
Oh, when they hear the Pit Boys are cooking at the pit, these ducks are flying in left and right. They want to go down, man. A great meal at the pit. I fact checked that, so no problem. Cool. All right.
So we're gonna queue up some apples here. This is gonna get, some of these are gonna get stuffed inside the ducks. Same with the onions. These onions are just getting cut in half and they get shoved right up inside the cavity of the duck.
BBQ Pit Boys, father-daughter duck team.
Yeah.
Warden.
Two traditions, or two
We got the generation.
two generations here.
And we got the jitter of the bugs.
You got it.
The jitter of the bugs.
Alright, the jitter of the bugs and the jitters of nature.
That's what the pit is all about, man. Father, son, good friends, trading knowledge. The Pit Boys family are always there to help you if you need some help, you got some questions.
Yeah. Oh man.
So, got a little citrus in there.
Oh yeah, gonna have some orange in there.
Okay.
And these guys.
There you go.
Sweet
Just
potatoes.
slice those up, butter them up, Jay. We'll put them on the side around the ducks as they roast.
Nice.
Suck up some of that fat. You want some of that confit to get into these guys.
We'll be going in a wood fired oven.
Nothing fancy here, folks.
Nope.
You have a little peel on it and you can hurt it. More flavor, more zest,
More vitamins.
more vitamins. Listen to them.
Yep. I'm gonna get that.
I'm just gonna break up some garlic here
Yeah.
for a little
There we go.
little extra flavor.
Oh yeah, gotta have the garlic, right? It just goes with everything. Even goes on my oatmeal in the morning. Cool.
Alright, now we're just gonna take some oil. We're gonna oil up our ducks. We're gonna season them up and get them ready for the pizza oven. We got the right temperature.
Oh yeah.
Right temperature now.
Yep.
We're looking good. So now we're just gonna oil up our breasts.
Oh, just the way she likes it, huh? Oh, someone's gonna take that the wrong way. We're talking about duck breast here. Jeez. All right.
Duck breasts here. You wanna get nice oil coating on them. Right there. Now you get that out of the way.
So.
Now we're gonna come in here with some SPG.
I'm gonna cut the legs off.
Yep.
Oh. Jeez.
All right. So now we'll cut the legs off.
Watch out for those guys. Get some of these nice red eggs off of these. Snap the joint, pull them back, all set. Ain't nobody gonna eat that part.
No bands either, huh?
No bands today. That's a good old shoot down in the duck hole. Can't get a band every day.
Alright. Oh, listen to the chit chat going on behind us, huh?
We got a big old raven going crazy.
You got
out
it,
there.
man.
Oh, there's a bald eagle. It's a bald eagle.
Really, yeah.
They're yelling at a bald eagle.
Oh, can we see
Sorry.
it? No? Oh, look at these little guys. Hey, look at the little,
Over the golf course.
look at the Tweety
There's a
birds.
bald eagle.
That's all right. You see the little Tweety birds all right there? That's great.
Ravens are chasing the eagle.
We got
Oh, that's,
nature coming around here.
hey, we're cooking birds. They're a little upset.
Now we're gonna take our SPG. We're gonna coat these ducks down real good, both sides. It's okay because most of that seasoning is gonna leak off of them.
Yep.
Because there's a lot of oil in the
Yep.
meat and in the
Right.
fat itself of the duck.
Yeah. All right. Okay, Slash. I'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah.
Sure. We ain't saving no duck for you, though. Sorry. That's pitmaster privilege.
I'm missing. I'm missing it.
All right, man. Cool.
Now we're gonna take some garlic cloves, probably like 2 or 3 on each, on the big ones. So mallards are gonna get 2 or 3 cloves.
Oh, yeah.
Small ducks are only gonna get like 1 clove. The teal's only gonna get 1 clove.
There is science in this.
Don't want to overpower the flavor of the duck itself.
Yep.
So now I'm gonna take an orange, the bigger ducks, shove that in first.
Yep.
Now a little piece on the smaller ducks. And then one underneath the breast of the buffalo head. And we're gonna take a sweet potato chunk
No, those.
Oh, yeah.
just to suck up some juices inside with the apple on the end. This one's gonna go with an onion, apple, small piece of sweet potato, again, bigger duck, half of an onion,
Oh, my goodness.
and apple. I'm gonna find a piece here. There we go. Alright.
Got it.
And then this guy's gonna get another onion and another piece of apple. And now we're just gonna layer stuff all over the bottom of this tray because there's gonna be a lot of juices coming out of this. So all this vegetable is gonna have a nice duck flavor. So we're gonna throw some veggies right up in between all the gaps in here.
There we go. There we go. So what do you think this would set you back at a restaurant if you could get wild duck?
This would be over $150 meal easily.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, wild duck's probably definitely not cheap in a restaurant.
Nope.
There's just some smashed garlic. Gonna go on top of these ducks. And some more veggies.
You got the butter right there.
And now we're gonna take some butter, because you gotta have some butter.
Oh, man. What would the world do without butter?
It'd be utterly unbearable.
Yeah, it would be. Utterly.
Utterly
For sure.
unbearable.
For sure. Let's imagine.
Now we're just put some butter right here on the ends to cap off these bigger ducks. And the smaller duck. One more piece. And now just take the whole rest of that stick. Just layer some butter across the top of your veggies.
All right.
Alright.
Wood,
Now we're looking good.
wood-fired duck 101.
Now we're gonna take some of our, we gotta put some juice in the bottom of this pan.
Yep.
We're gonna take a little bit of apple cider.
Apple cider, hard apple cider. That's cool. That works.
And the rest.
I mean, you could use beer, I guess. You could use even water.
Alright.
So, now,
Now we're gonna go right over to our
off
pizza
to
oven.
the oven. All right.
We're gonna be all set.
Yep. All right.
Oh yeah.
Woo. Heading
We're
into
gonna be eating
the
good tonight, Marco.
wood-fired oven. There we go.
There you go, Jitter.
And get it in there. So, how long do you think this will take?
A couple hours at least.
Yep. So we'll be running.
I would say an hour and a half, not a couple hours.
We'll
If
get
we're
the
running
heat- we'll get the
400,
heat up
We got 400. It's probably gonna be
We
like.
lost a little bit of heat, but we
Yeah,
gotta get it back up.
It's not gonna take long. It's wild duck. Wild duck. You don't
Any
need
duck.
to cook long. It's a red meat. It's not like chicken.
Nope.
So this is something you want to cook rare. You want to have some pinkness. It's
Oh, yeah.
okay. Some red meat is okay. So
Oh yeah. Hey, first
gonna be
time,
eating good
first
today.
time I ate it, I thought it was prime beef.
Yep.
Really. All right. You gotta take a look at
we're
this.
getting close, boys.
Oh man, are you kidding me?
Look at that.
Lord have mercy. Roast wild duck.
And look at the amount of duck fat. See the
Oh,
duck
man.
fat on the bottom of the tray?
Oh man,
See the top layer? It's like all yellow.
I know it. Daffy would be
And look
losing
how
it.
nice and brown they're getting on the top from the smoke.
Excuse me, but it's a privilege.
Whoa, yep,
Front of your
yep.
finger there, bud.
That's it. All right. Just a little bit to go.
I think these ones are done.
Whoa,
Check these bad boys out.
nice. Look at that.
Look how nice and golden and roasted, and look how good the vegetables look.
Oh,
That's why you use a pizza oven, everybody. Keep that temp up. Now we're gonna let these things cool down a little bit.
yes. Oh my goodness.
Look at all that duck fat goodness on the bottom.
All right.
All right.
Look at that.
All right, so what you got here? So you got your mallard right here.
Yep. Two
Then you
mallards.
got a green wing teal right here. You got a
Mallards.
buffalo head right here,
Yep.
and you got another wood duck right here, and a wood duck right here, or the mallard right here.
Yep.
You got all this right here is ducks that eat seeds, not eating fish.
Yeah.
So you have like even the buffalo head is a
Yeah.
diving duck that eats nothing but seeds.
Yeah.
So all these fish eat nothing but hardy grain, or all these
Yep.
ducks eat nothing but hardy grains,
Yep.
and they're migrating down, eating nothing but grains from Canada all the way to Georgia, where they go for the winter.
Oh yeah, and of course that imparts the taste of these birds, so it's just awesome, man.
So that's why you got all the flavors that you get.
Oh man,
Look at this. You can't ask for a better meal.
awesome.
Too bad we only got the 3 of us.
Give me 4. Oh, so
There you go, Bob.
We got 4
Yep.
Bob.
look at that. Oh my,
We got 1 roasted
you-
wood duck, Bob.
and it's stuffed.
We got a stuffed.
Whoa,
No, that's a wood duck.
this one here.
Giant.
Yeah, look at it. Oh man, are you kidding me?
Let me have that one. Wood duck. Another little wood duck.
Yeah.
With teal. What do you
Oh
want?
man,
I'm going for the mallard.
look at that.
You're gonna go for the big duck, huh?
I'm gonna go for a big duck.
Oh man, we each get our own bird. Look at that. Oh man. I'm just saying, but look at these slices. This looks like it's like roast beef, man. Look at that.
That's perfect.
Excellent, man.
Look at that right there.
Oh wow. I'm just gonna go for it.
There's a lot of silence here, man.
My favorite part.
Trying to get that.
Just watch out for the bird shot, guys.
Goodness. it's hard to
Yeah.
explain the flavors profile in this.
Taste the apple.
Real tender, you know.
Oh,
Look at,
I'm going caveman.
I'm digging for veggies here. Turn your eyes, man. But whoa, you know.
yeah, Bob, sorry, beef.
Yeah, in here.
Oh, you got some on you.
Yeah, there's some right here.
I'm going down to the house of sausage.
Look at this.
I got my barbecue shoes on. I'm going down to the house of sausage.
So anyway, we're gonna continue here for the next hour or two. You can
Sorry, I'm not talking, but this is amazing.
they can
So,
use.
you guys, you gotta try some duck hunting. You gotta go out there.
I got my barbecue shoes.
Let me tell you,
This is a
the
gift.
flavor profile on these birds,
Brisket. I got my barbecue
you just can't beat it.
shoes on.
It's like the best meat you can possibly get in the wilderness, I swear.
And look how dark and rich the meat is. You definitely could serve this to somebody who didn't know, and they think they'd be eating steak. Oh yeah.
Just gotta get the right angle here.
See?
Look at that. You hear the skin crunching? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be a nice piece.
You see that? Oh, knees on that one. You got it. Oh,
Look at that. Nothing left.
that's it.
Gotta get that crunchy skin. Alright, here we go. Good up these right there.
Yep.
Ready for this? It's gonna be amazing.
Ooh.
Got my skeet in my head.
Oh yeah.
Baby, I don't care.
That's what it's all about, man.
Knocked it out of the park, Peter.
Oh yeah. And of course, this is Pitmaster privilege. You can reach for some of your favorite seasoning. So Angus and Oink here. Winner, chicken center. That's great. Of course, the SPG on your table, that helps. A little buffalo too, if you want to crank it up. The buffalo is pretty good. So.
You can take those rubs. You can put little dishes out,
Yeah,
and if people want to try different flavors, they can just do a little dab.
yeah, I like that. Great job hunting, Jitter.
Thank you.
You're picking out prime, flying over. Oh,
Prime meat flying down from Canada.
so the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.